Looking for a nature preserve right outside of Chicago with a cool waterfall, bluffs, and tons of trails? Look no further. This is Magellan,
And this is Greyhound.
where we make videos about epic road trips, kayaking, hiking, and other outdoor adventures. It's officially spring, and it's time to retire the snow. So we decided, why not highlight a super short hike right as the snow is melting? This is Waterfall Glen Forest Preserve in Darien, Illinois, located about 25 miles southwest of Chicago. It consists of 2,500 acres and 11 miles of hiking, biking, cross-country skiing, and horseback riding trails. There are multiple parking lots around the preserve, and for this hike, we parked in the southeast section of the park near Rocky Glen Waterfall and the Sawmill Creek Bluff Overlook. It's a small lot, but the turnover is quick since people are usually just walking to the falls, back with their dog. There's an information sign that shows you where you are and a greater map of the preserve in case you wanted to do the grand 9-mile loop. After about a half mile, you will come upon the Rocky Glen Waterfall. You can go back around to where you came to head to the bluff, or you can take another trail up to it, like we did. There are signs at nearly every junction to point you to where you need to go, so feel free to explore. This is the Sawmill Creek Bluff Overlook. You can see the Rocky Glen Waterfall below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, friends.